You a sap? Nope. You a boss player? You a Mac? Yep. Let me hold a couple dollars. Nope. Y'all still be popping y'all collars? Yep.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to layer your wig and style it in a loose kind of curl kind of situation that I have going on. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and stay tuned. This hair that I'm rocking is from nadulahr.com. They will be having a Black Friday sale, so if you guys are interested in purchasing from them, this will be the time to do so. I'm rocking their 22-inch Brazilian body wave wig, and I have it in 150% density. And let me tell you guys, they did not skimp whatsoever with the tresses on this hair. And this is a 360 wig. If you guys are interested in a unit that is versatile, you can pull it up, wear it in a high ponytail or a bun, then you may want to look into trying a 360 wig as such. I'm going to go ahead and quit talking and get into this video. So when you're cutting layers into your hair, you want to use so when you're cutting layers into your hair, you want to kind of use, I'm filming, Ma. It's okay. So when you're cutting layers into your hair for the third time, you want to kind of use an open and close kind of motion. You don't want to just cut it, because then you're going to create choppy layers, and we don't want that, because if you're not wearing your hair curled, you still want everything to look nice and uniform, and you want everything to flow really well, right? So, you know, just watch and I'll show you right here. Just grab a nice size piece, not too big, not too little, and you want to cut in a downward motion, and you just want to use like slight open and close motions as such. And you see how it's layering the hair, and that is how much hair I just took off. In the front, I like more layers, so I kind of concentrate on the front as opposed to the back.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that.
So the way I'm going to curl this hair is, I'm going to curl it away from my face on this side, and then going away from my face on this side, which you guys are going to see. So, you know, I'm trying to walk you guys through it. And I don't want the curls to be super tiny, because I'm not trying to be here all day. So it's not at all. I have things to do. So I'm going to make the curls, you know, a good medium size feel.
Trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you.
So I just finished the first side. Keep in mind, you guys, like, I'm in a hurry, so these are like messy curls. Normally when I curl my hair, and I'll curl it when the wig is not on my head, if I just want the curls to just be perfect, or I'll just really take the time, like, to, you know, finesse it if I'm going for that super uniform look, you know. Anywho, this is how the first side looks, and I can't wait to brush it out to get that look that I'm going for. But we're going to go ahead and start styling the second side. Ooh, it's hot, hot, hot. Okay. So on this side, I'm going to basically do the same thing that I did to the other side, except my layers on this side are going to be a lot more dramatic, because I kind of want like a bank situation going on this side. So I'm not going to layer the very back, so I'm going to section the hair off like this, because this side I want it like super layered. So I'm going to go ahead and curl this hair off camera, and then I'm going to come back and layer this portion up with you guys.
Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away on you. Only you, girl. Only one call from you.
So what I'm going to do is go ahead and begin to finger comb the hair out and touch up in any, you know, areas that I want to touch up in. Sometimes at this point I might go in and add another layer or two if I feel I need to do so. So I'm just lightly brushing through it. Right here, I feel like it needs some more layers, but definitely right here needs to be like a shorter layer in my opinion. So just gonna do that and then just curl this piece over. So instead of going in adding layers right here, I'm just gonna curl it going back. Just like that. And that's going to give me like a little bit more body, because I am not trying to cut it all up right here, but who knows, I may do that in the future. Just going to go in with my Got To Be Glued spray lightly to kind of hold the curls in place, which are more, like I said, kind of like a loose wave is kind of what I was going for. There we go. And loosen this curl up just a little bit. So I am pretty much done. To keep this hair defiant like this at night, whether I keep the wig on my head or not, I'll add flexi rods so my hard work doesn't go, you know, in vain, just so I can, you know, keep the curls more uniform. And I feel like each day you do that, the curls kind of get better. The only thing that I might do in the future is add a little bit more layers in this section, just for a more voluminous look right there. But let me give you guys a quick little 360 so you can see this hair from different angles. And so far I'm not getting a lot of shedding with this wig, and I'm not getting any tangling at all. So if you guys want to check out Nadula's hair, I'll leave all their information down below and a direct link to the exact wig that I'm wearing. I'm going to probably come back in maybe like 2 weeks to give you guys an update on this wig. I'm going to wear it a little bit more. So if you guys found this video helpful, or if you just enjoy any of my content that I put out, be sure to let me know down below by commenting, liking this video, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you a part of the fam. So you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and everyone please turn on your notifications if you want to be notified when I upload new content. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl.